y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, y'all, a long time. Today's video is going to be me washing my makeup brushes in the washing machine. I've seen this done and I was like, you know what, I'm about to try that because I am tired of hand washing my brush, each one piece by piece, and it takes forever to have a lot of brushes. I'm only going to wash the brushes that I use the most. So I got my brushes here. If you are new to my channel, my name is Byrddagoer. Make sure you do subscribe and thumbs this video up. I've been gone for a minute though. And comment down below if y'all like this hair. I'm feeling it. Anyway, oh shit. I got my brushes, some hair ties. I have my brush cleaner, and I have some dishwashing liquid. And then also, you're gonna need some old socks that you pretty much don't wear or don't care about. I found these in the bottom of the drawer, so these are what we're gonna be using. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I am going to put my water level on low. It's already on low. We're gonna put it on hot water, and then we're gonna turn it on. Pretty simple. I don't think I need 15 minutes. We'll do, I'll say even 5 is enough. Let's do 5 minutes. Okay, y'all, so the water is good to go. Now what we're gonna do is get these brushes. Don't mind my stove, y'all. Clean my stove, and I have to put these in the dishwasher. Am I the only one who put their what are these called, like the stove top things in the dishwasher? Okay, so what we're gonna basically do is take your old socks, put the brushes in the sock. I'm gonna like try to put all the small ones together. You can put like a lot of them in here because the sock is pretty big and spacious. I guess I can put a big one in there too. Okay, after that should be enough for that one. We're gonna take a hair tie and then tie it like this because we don't want the sock to open up and then the brushes go crazy in the washer. These ones in. I'm only putting the ones that I really use the most. I just got this brush actually. This brush is so soft. Don't mind my nails, y'all. I'm getting them done real soon. That is pretty much it. I'm not gonna wash this one. I'm gonna hand wash this one because it's already kind of fucking it. So let's get another hair tie for this one. And there you go. You got your 2 sock packets of brushes. And we're gonna just throw these bad boys in the washer. And then go ahead and start it. Alright, y'all, we'll be back in 5 minutes to see how it goes. Maybe I should have did 10 minutes, but I think 5 should be enough. If not, we'll start it over. While our brushes are washing, be sure you follow me on Instagram, Bird_Latrice with 2 E's. And make sure you add me on Snapchat, Byrddagoer. The wash machine just stopped. We are going to get our brushes out. Oh man. Look at this. Oh my God. So I guess I didn't tie the scrunchy thing tight enough because look. But let's see. As long as they clean, that's all that. Attach. Not.